So we add one teaspoon of mixed spices. Okay, we want add a half spoon of turmeric. Okay, right. We add one piece of Maggi, one cube yani. We just put it like this. All right. You smash it. Smash. Okay. Okay. So wash hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands very well. Okay. Mix with bare hands. Bare clean hands. At the end, we will use coriander. Coriander will be the last thing before we start rolling. Okay, you see? Our rice, minced meat, spices, and turmeric, and the Maggi. 1 cube of Maggi. After adding the coriander, we will add some salt to taste. Okay. So we will add some salt. Okay. Some salt will be necessary. This is our salt. So we will. This is our salt to taste. We don't put a lot. Okay. All right. Then add we will add some oil. Okay. So after adding some oil, we mix again. You see? So just need to add the coriander and start rolling our Marfuf. It's called Marfuf. Keep tuned, guys, until we mix and cook and eat together. Guys, Cweitv love you so much.